exclusive footage gives an up-close look at the fire at a storage facility in Deer Park. And only on 2, the man who made the first call to 911 after seeing the smoke.
You can see just the smoke start coming up, and I'm like, man, that's not normal.
Good evening. We thank you for joining us. I'm Dominique Saxa.
And I'm Keith Garvin. Bill is off tonight. New tonight, we're getting an exclusive look from inside the ITC facility in Deer Park. A drone flying just feet away from one of the tanks engulfed in flames. This is now a live look at the fire from Sky 2. Right now, we are told 4 tanks are still burning.
Earlier today, it was as many as 8. ITC has a total of 15 tanks. Each contains chemicals used to make gasoline. We've got you covered with live team coverage tonight. We begin with Channel 2's Jacob Rascone, live right outside ITC with the newest information. Jacob?
Dominique and Keith, minutes ago, the fire flared up yet again. You saw it live on Sky 2. You see it now over my shoulder as firefighters shift their strategy and officials insist the air remains safe. Tonight, we're getting a closer look at the storage facility fire burning out of control now for nearly 60 hours. Some 265 firefighters from 10 departments and agencies now shifting their strategy.
We put out tank 15. Now we're making another attack on tank 7. So we have went from defensive to offensive today.
Even if all 15 tanks eventually catch fire, the worst case scenario, officials insist the air quality won't affect most people.
Those things burn in a really black, disgusting blob, but there's not toxins in them. There can be particulates in there. There may be ash that's coming out, but those things are not, they're the same risks you would have in your backyard fire.
TCEQ, the EPA, Harris County, and ITC all monitoring air quality tonight, some more up to date than others. Why are the TCEQ numbers so up to date, but the ITC numbers are not?
I can't speak for ITC, but I can tell you that as far as the TCEQ goes, they are full-time.
Those suffering from respiratory problems like Deer Park native Wendy Cobb felt negative effects immediately.
You get very anxious and uptight and scared because it restricts your breathing.
Even dozens of miles away, Wendy scrambled for her inhaler.
Immediately when I walked out, I felt it burning, and then I got in the car, and I began having difficulty to breathe, burning in the chest, the throat, and the nose.
It appears a third-party firefighting agency today using foam made a big difference. Stay tuned. Tomorrow morning is the next planned press conference at 10 o'clock. We'll carry that live on air and online as the fire enters its